TED Spyder is a whole home energy meter that connects to the People Power IoE platform and Presence. It will measure your whole home power and energy, and it can measure down to the individual circuit level with these TED Spyder legs. I installed this TED Spyder on my breaker box, and you can see that there's a couple components to it. The TED Spyder's CT clamps will go on up to 8 circuits on my breaker box. There's a lot of wires involved, but they can be hidden behind the breaker box panel. There's this MTU unit, which uses power line communications to connect to a gateway that's nearby your internet access point. After the TED Spyder is physically installed, the out-of-box experience is very simple. Download the Presence app onto your mobile phone, and all you have to do is press this one button, Add a TED Energy Meter. The app will remind you to connect to Wi-Fi and tell you to plug the TED gateway into that Wi-Fi network. It will find it automatically, and then it sets it up and configures it to your account. There's nothing else to do. It's really a one-touch out-of-box experience. After tapping OK, you'll see your TED Energy Meter right there on your list of devices. With my TED Energy Meter now connected to the IoE platform, let's go to app.presencepro.com and check it out. We see the TED Energy Meter right here on my list of devices. As I tap into it, what we're going to see is how much power my home is consuming right now. So right now I have a lot of stuff on, and I can see that it's consuming a lot of power and a lot of money. If my house consumed this much energy all month long, my electric bill would be astronomical. Let's drill into this and see what's happening. When I tap into breakdown, I can see how my energy consumption breaks down by circuit today. We can see that most of my energy consumption has gone to the heater, but I've also done some laundry today, and you can see this week I've consumed almost $5 in energy. Let's tap into our history. This is what my home has consumed today. Let's remove some of these plots and drill into the data. Let's turn off the hot water in the dishwasher and the range. Let's turn off the furnace, the office, and the heater. And what we see is the dryer and the washer. The washer here is brown and the dryer is in red. So you can see I did a load of laundry and then I put it into the dryer. And I did another load of laundry and put that into the dryer. Let me show you last week's energy consumption. I actually went out of town last week and left the house. This blue line is my heater running to keep the house above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And the yellow line is the furnace turning on to help. And you can see my home reaches a very low power state, and then I got home at about this time. One of the analytics our IoE platform provides is data correction. There's sometimes the possibility of the data being corrupted or even missing if our internet goes down. The IoE platform will discover and identify the points where there's problems with the data and will attempt to automatically fix it. A few weeks ago, I used these TED graphs to see that there was a problem with my thermostat and the schedule it was running on. Let me show you how I found that. If I turn off all of these other appliances and focus in on my HVAC, you can see right here, my heater was running a lot late at night, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. I'm asleep at those periods of times. So you see that I saw that behavior and I was able to modify my thermostat schedule. And you can see up here, the thermostat is now fixed. 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., it's off. And then before I get up, the thermostat turns on. We also convert the energy that's being reported by the TED into power, and we convert it into dollars and cents because people actually understand money much more than they do kilowatt hours. On any product that's connected to the IoE platform, we also have a crowd feedback mechanism, which enables us to see feedback from real users. Let's tap into the feedback here and see what people are asking for. So it's very simple. You can type in a feature title and a request, or you can report a problem with it. So there's one feature request for this product. You can actually get real feedback about what are the most popular features for your product. And of course, the TED can be deployed in multiple geographies. So we might want to switch the currency, and we might want to switch the price per kilowatt hour. I hope this was useful for you to see what the TED can do and how it works with the IoE platform and Presence. Thanks for watching.